Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have reached an agreement in their defamation case. Amber Heard has reached a court settlement with her ex-husband and fellow actor Johnny Depp, who sued her for defamation after she indicated in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed that he mistreated her. Heard, 36, had already been sentenced to pay Depp, 56, more than $10 million in damages. However, Depp was forced to pay Heard $2 million in damages after she filed a countersuit charging him of defamation after his lawyer, Adam Waldman, dismissed her assault claims as a hoax. Heard first filed an appeal against the verdict forcing her to pay, but she has since withdrawn the effort. The terms of the settlement she disclosed on Monday put a halt to any future legal action between Heard and Depp over their claims against each other for the time being. Although the contents of the deal were not immediately made public, Heard wrote in an Instagram post on Monday morning that consenting to the settlement was a very difficult decision. "It's critical for me to state that I never chose this," the post stated. "I protected my truth, and in doing so, I ruined my life as I knew it. The vilification I've received on social media is an exaggerated version of how women are re-victimized when they come out. Now I have a chance to emancipate myself from something I tried to leave over 6 years ago, and on conditions I can accept. I have not admitted anything. This is not a sign of weakness. Moving forward, there are no constraints or gags on my voice." The settlement follows a dramatic, months-long legal struggle in which Heard and Depp fought for support in the court of public opinion as well as in an actual courtroom in Fairfax County, Virginia. Support for Depp was strong on social media, as indicated by the widespread distribution of videos and posts attempting to impugn, if not outright invalidate, Heard's accusations of domestic abuse at the hands of Depp. Separately, Depp lost a libel case against The Sun in 2020 after suing the publication for printing an article labeling him a wife-beater. The court in that case ruled that the report was essentially true, and some commentators speculated that Heard's initial triumph may carry over into the case she and Depp were fighting in the United States. But the split verdict that followed the case's trial in Virginia was significantly more financially costly for Heard. From 2015 to 2017, Depp and Heard were married for 2 years. When 2023 approaches and you join us from Bangladesh, we have a small favor to ask. A new year brings new prospects, and we're hoping that this year brings much-needed stability and growth. Whatever happens, The Guardian will be there to provide clarity and bold, independent reporting from around the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Times are harsh, and we understand that not everyone can afford to pay for news. Nevertheless, because we are reader-funded, we rely on the continued generosity of those who can afford it. Your critical assistance ensures that millions of people can continue to read dependable news on the events influencing our world. Will you buy The Guardian this year? Unlike many others, we have no billionaire owner, meaning we can fearlessly chase the truth and report it with integrity. 2023 will be no different. We will work with trademark determination and passion to bring you journalism that's always free from commercial or political interference. No one edits our editor or diverts our attention from what's most important. With your support, we'll continue to keep Guardian journalism open and free for everyone to read. When access to information is made equal, greater numbers of people can understand global events and their impact on people and communities. Together, we can demand better from the powerful and fight for democracy. Whether you give a little or a lot, your funding is vital in powering our reporting for years to come. If you can, please support us on a monthly basis. It takes less than a minute to set up, and you can rest assured that you're making a big impact every single month in support of open, independent journalism. Thank you.